I know the idea of peanut butter sauce for pasta sounds alarming, but trust me, this is dreamy, creamy heaven. We love it at home, and I just hope you love it too. So I've got a big old pan of water bubbling away here, salted. Now I want to show you a really good way of cooking pasta where you don't have it boiling all the time. We're gonna get this spaghetti in patiently, not one of my virtues. Essentially what I'm gonna do is boil this spaghetti for 2 minutes, giving it a bit of a stir, and then flame off. I'm going to cover with a clean tea towel, clamp the lid on, put 8 minutes on my timer. Right, time's up. I want to give it a quick stir again, because when the pasta cooks in that trapped heat of the pan, it doesn't go quite as starchy as when you cook it, you know, bibbling and bubbling away. But we need this water, it's precious. I mean, you always need a bit of pasta cooking water to help a sauce emulsify, but it's a very crucial element. So I've got about half a litre, and waiting for me in the sink is my colander full of spinach. So the spinach is wilting there, and now good old dollop of smooth peanut butter. Do a little extra. It's a very small amount of salt. A couple of garlic cloves. Get my last bit out. So I've got my Ocado herbs and spices. Quite a bit of thyme. Not so many of the chili flakes. And a bit of lemon. Citrus press. That balances that richness and sweetness of the peanut butter too. Just going to turn the heat underneath it now, but very low. A bit of pasta cooking water, smallish, not that small amount first of all. It does look a bit frightening here, but don't be frightened. That's exactly what it would look like now. And it goes into slightly odd curdled clumps. You can do a bit of whisking. Getting smoother. I'm just going to stir this. It's a nice deep pan, so none should escape, but it's actually quite extraordinary the amount of the pasta water you need, because the spaghetti just drinks it up. So when I stir like this, I'm trying to get the starch in the pasta to sort of merge with the sauce. Well, that is ready for me. Absolutely perfect just as it is, but sometimes I like to dust just a little paprika over the top, and that is my supper. This recipe is available exclusively at Ocado.com.